Guys, today we'll be discussing about agency tools tip. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for tooltip from here. You have to install it first, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. You can find it in the navigation bar down below. From here you can search. As you can see, it is here. Open the app. Here it is. Just open the app. So here what we have to do is copy the script and get it towards the settings, and from there you will be pasting it into the company. Scroll down, and we had copied the script. We will paste it here and update the company. Proceed. After doing so, let's choose any of our sub account from here. Let's say the Cation one. We are on our sub account now, and we have to just, if we can just refresh. We are here in our sub account now. As you can see that in our sub account we had chosen the dashboard, and this button is available now here because of the agency tools tip. When you click on it, it will be providing you with the information what dashboard does, and you will be having the knowledge or some sort of a guide or a tip. You can end that. Let's choose another one. Let's say we will be choosing opportunities. It changes accordingly. After that, if you choose, if you just click on that, it will be just giving you the information, the tips, or a short brief on that. You can read that and have a guidance on it. So that's how it works. You can just use your creativity and have an advantage of that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.